Hi everyone, welcome to Body Make and Health Management channel. In today's fast-paced world, healthy eating can feel impossible, but with a few smart strategies, you can nourish your body even on the go. Chapter 1. Prioritize portable whole foods. In the whirlwind of our busy lives, maintaining a healthy diet can often feel like a monumental challenge. We're constantly bombarded with convenient processed options that promise quick satisfaction but leave us feeling drained and unsatisfied in the long run. But what if I told you that the key to nourishing your body amidst the chaos lies in embracing simplicity? The simplest foods are often the best for busy lives. They require minimal preparation, are packed with essential nutrients, and can be easily transported wherever your day takes you. Take the humble apple, for instance. Grab an apple or a banana, or perhaps a handful of nuts, nature's original fast food. These aren't just snacks, they're powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that fuel your body and keep you feeling full and energized for hours. Hard-boiled eggs and homemade wraps with lean protein and greens are quick, portable, and filling. Think about it. A whole wheat tortilla, a smear of hummus, some grilled chicken or chickpeas, and a handful of spinach. It's a complete, balanced meal that you can assemble in minutes and enjoy on the go. Keep trail mix or fruit in your bag for instant healthy energy. These simple strategies can transform your approach to eating on the run. When you make these foods easy to reach, you're more likely to choose them over junk. Stash a container of almonds in your desk drawer, keep a bowl of fruit on your counter, and pack a bag of carrot sticks and hummus for your commute. It's not about perfection, but about making better choices accessible. It's about setting yourself up for success by creating an environment that supports your health goals. Portable whole foods are your first line of defense for eating well on the move. They're your secret weapon against unhealthy cravings and energy crashes. By prioritizing these simple, wholesome options, you can nourish your body, boost your energy levels, and take control of your health, even when life gets hectic. So, embrace the power of portable whole foods and make healthy eating an effortless part of your daily routine. Chapter 2. Meal prep for the week ahead. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy diet can often feel like an uphill battle. Juggling work, family, and social commitments leaves little time for elaborate cooking. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon to conquer this challenge? Meal prep is your secret weapon for healthy eating. It's the art of preparing meals in advance, ensuring you always have nutritious options readily available. Start with your grains. Cook grains like brown rice or quinoa. These are fantastic complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy throughout the week. Prepare a large batch on Sunday, and you'll have a versatile base for countless meals. Consider adding spices or herbs during cooking to infuse them with extra flavor. Next up, roast veggies. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness of vegetables, making them incredibly delicious and satisfying. Chop a variety of colorful vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, sweet potatoes, and zucchini. Toss them with olive oil, herbs, and spices, then roast them until tender and slightly caramelized. Don't forget your protein. Grill lean proteins in batches. Chicken breast, turkey, fish, or tofu are all excellent choices. Season them with your favorite spices or marinades before grilling for added flavor. Having pre-cooked protein on hand makes assembling meals a breeze. Now for the organization. Store them in containers for easy grab-and-go meals all week. Invest in some high-quality, airtight containers to keep your food fresh and prevent leaks. Portion out your grains, veggies, and protein into individual containers, creating balanced and satisfying meals. The beauty of meal prep is that when you're tired, a healthy meal is already waiting. No more excuses for unhealthy choices. After a long day, you can simply grab a container from the fridge and enjoy a delicious home-cooked meal without any effort. This means no need for takeout. You'll save money, reduce your calorie intake, and nourish your body with wholesome ingredients. Say goodbye to greasy burgers and processed foods, and hello to vibrant, nutritious meals that fuel your body and mind. This small investment of time saves you stress and keeps your nutrition on track. Meal prepping eliminates the daily decision fatigue of figuring out what to eat. It also ensures that you're consistently making healthy choices, even when you're short on time or energy. Prioritize meal prep, and you'll always have a healthy option ready. It's a simple yet powerful strategy for achieving your health and wellness goals. By taking control of your meals, you're taking control of your health. Planning ahead is self-care that pays off every day. It's an act of kindness to yourself, ensuring that you're nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. So, embrace the power of meal prep and experience the transformative benefits of healthy eating. Chapter 3. Make smart convenience store choices. Even in a convenience store, those beacons of quick stops and fast decisions, it's entirely possible to navigate the aisles with your health in mind. It might seem like a challenge, surrounded by tempting treats and sugary drinks, but with a little awareness you can make choices that support your well-being, even on the go. You can find healthy options. It's about being a mindful shopper, even when time is of the essence. Don't let the impulse buys dictate your choices. Take a moment to assess what's available and consider what will truly nourish your body. Skip the chips and candy. Those brightly colored bags and sugary bars are designed to catch your eye, but they offer little nutritional value. Instead, look for Greek yogurt, a protein-packed option that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Unsweetened plant milks like almond or soy milk are a great alternative to sugary sodas or sweetened beverages. They provide hydration and essential nutrients without the added sugar or hard-boiled eggs. These are a fantastic source of protein and a convenient grab-and-go snack that will keep you energized throughout the day. Seaweed snacks, those crispy, savory sheets, are surprisingly nutritious and low in calories. They're a great alternative to potato chips when you're craving something salty. Salad bowls, pre-made and packed with fresh vegetables, can be a lifesaver when you need a quick and healthy meal. Just be mindful of the dressing and opt for a light vinaigrette or oil-based option. And rice balls are better choices than pastries or fried foods. They offer a balanced combination of carbohydrates and protein, providing sustained energy without the sugar crash. Pause and scan the shelves for real food, not just quick fixes. Take a moment to read the labels and understand what you're putting into your body. Look for options with minimal processed ingredients and added sugars. Healthy options are there if you know where to look. Make the best choice available, even when you're in a rush. Every small decision contributes to your overall health and well-being. Smart decisions add up no matter where you are. Choosing wisely, even in a convenience store, can make a significant difference in your health over time. It's about making conscious choices that support your goals, one snack, one meal at a time. Chapter 4. Stay hydrated and avoid sugary drinks. Water is essential. Don't let sugary drinks take its place. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it throughout the day. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor without sugar. Unsweetened iced tea or coconut water are good alternatives. Sugary drinks lead to energy crashes and health problems. Choose water first, and your body will thank you. Hydration is the foundation of good health. Chapter 5. Build a snack survival kit. Be ready for hunger with a snack survival kit. Pack almonds, whole grain crackers, low-sugar protein bars, or a little dried fruit. Keep your kit in your bag, car, or desk so healthy snacks are always within reach. This simple habit helps you avoid junk food when you're busy. Preparation turns snacking into a healthy routine, not a desperate choice. Your kit is your insurance against unhealthy temptations. Stay fueled and focused wherever your day takes you. Chapter 6. Learn to read nutrition labels quickly. Nutrition labels are your shortcut to smarter choices. Check serving size first. Packages often contain more than one. Look for low added sugar, at least 3 g of fiber, and a good amount of protein. Ignore flashy marketing and focus on the facts. With practice, label reading takes seconds and saves you from hidden junk. Being informed puts you in control of your health. Make label reading a habit every time you shop. Chapter 7. Don't skip meals, plan light, frequent meals. Skipping meals backfires. Your body needs steady fuel. Eat 3 smaller meals and 1 or 2 healthy snacks each day. This keeps your energy stable and prevents overeating later. Spread your food intake evenly, not in big, heavy meals. Use meal prep and snack kits to make this easy. Consistent eating supports your metabolism and focus. A regular rhythm is the key to lasting health. Healthy eating isn't about drastic changes, it's about small, smart habits. Prioritize whole foods, prep ahead, and make good choices wherever you are. Hydrate, snack wisely, and read labels to stay on track. Every healthy choice builds momentum for a better you. Share this video, subscribe for more tips, and take the next step today. Your journey to better health starts with one simple change. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video again.